3 quick tips to start prospecting for your drone service business. Step 1, start identifying your target market. Identify and build out a list of personas that reach or that match the target market and the ideal customer profiles you want to start talking to. In this case, we're using Apollo and are using a Boolean query to find those people. Step 2, use a tool like Todoist to blot out and map out your social media calendar and content for the next 3 months. You can see our 5 categories are based off of the 5 problems we solve. Step 3 is use that same tool or your CRM to start developing sequences, multi-channel approaches to get in front of your target market and to help them understand that you know their world and you can help them solve and understand their problems using LinkedIn, Loom, emails, phone calls, Twitter, you name it.